This is the Ramble FX Twin Bender, and we're going to unbox this one today. So this is the Ramble FX Twin Bender, and going to see what we get when we open it up. So we get these, I guess these are stickers, plus the user guide. Oh, and a pick. And here's the actual device. Nothing in there but foam. And so we've got attack, which I think is the amount of fuzz, level, which I believe is the volume, increasing the volume. But the main things for my interest, the main thing is really just this one switch here, which takes you between, you'll see it says Mark 1, let me see if I can get a bit, there we go. Mark 1.5 and Mark 2. So the Mark 2 is essentially the tone bender that everyone would know as a tone bender, but the Mark 1.5, that is a tone bender that's actually using a circuit like that used in the Fuzz Face. So we'll see what we get in terms of sounds out of that when we plug it all in. And that is our unboxing of the Ramble FX Twin Bender.